Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Sua Gai. Whenever I make kapyaksin, it's just my fiance and I, so we have a lot of leftover broth. What I like to make for her is Sua Gai. Sua Gai is pretty much a soup version of chicken laab. So I'll start with use about 2 to 3 cups for my fiance and I. Intro. Vietnamese coriander, raw rum. If you like it spicy, put more. If you like less, use less. Tamarind powder. My fiance like it sour. I'm adding the rice powder. I have my lime, so I'm gonna squeeze my lime in. Lastly, ladle your desired amount of chicken broth. If you don't have your leftover chicken broth, you can make it from scratch. It's just ginger and lemongrass. Cook your whole chicken and then shred it to bite-sized pieces, just with chicken bouillon and fish sauce to taste. This is a childhood classic. I enjoy this with sliced cucumbers and jasmine rice. Wow, look at that. Follow